Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with another video. So today we will build this awesome landing page, learning language online. Okay, so let's see it first. The website we actually will build from scratch. Okay, this is a Figma file. Okay, I will attach this Figma file in the description. You can go and check it out. Okay, and also the main version or the website domain hosting or whatever you want, you will upload these things for free with Vercel. Okay, I will also share that things to you guys so that you can also develop that on Vercel and you can share with your clients. Okay, or you can add it on your resume. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my GitHub page, so you guys can visit, and all my repositories are public, so you guys can check and download also, and also you can clone or copy. So if you like this video, please give star to my repo. Okay, so let's create a new repo. It's called learning online. Okay, and I make these things public, and let's just create this repo. Yeah, okay, now copy these things and open file manager. Wait, I open file manager, then I will open in here cmd, oh sorry, no, in development. Now here run cmd, then git clone paste. Okay, it will clone the empty project. Okay, so where is learning? This one. So open it with VS Code. So I will open it with VS Code. Okay, so now I will copy previous next.js folder because I don't want to make these things, make this video so longer. So I will copy this thing and just run npm I, then necessary things will install automatically, which I actually regularly use. Okay, so yeah, so here you can see in here I will run the terminal and hit npm I. What things I actually use in here, if I go package.json, the dependencies I use daisy UI, line clamp, then I also use react icons. Okay, these things. So it's done right now. So what I will do, I will npm run dev. Okay, it will run on localhost, local server. So let's go to Chrome and hit localhost 3000. Okay, I told you I copy it from my previous project, so I will delete these components things in here. Okay, so let's go to the folder, and you guys can check my other tutorial. I already make 2 landing pages and also the code available on GitHub, so you guys can check it out. Okay, and page index, right? Okay, fine. Now everything all right. So in index, let's just keep everything clean, and also this part. Okay, so let's just download the Figma file components like this image or assets quickly. Okay, I'm fast forwarding these things. Okay, So yeah, everything is done, so we can build these things right now. Okay, so let's get started with code. Go to VS Code, and today we will build first neighbor, and paste it in here. Neighbor, sorry, okay. So yeah, format document, and go to neighbor, and if we go to the browser right now, I think yeah, the neighbor will pop up, right? So yeah, now go to VS Code again, and what we will do in here, and give a class name container mx auto. I'm actually using Tailwind CSS class. If you have no idea about Tailwind CSS class, Tailwind actually a CSS framework. It will help you to do better and better quality code, and also it will help you to do the code quickly. Okay, so if I go to their official website container, you can, you already if you familiar about bootstraps, then I think you can know about container. Like, it make the make the div in center, and if we give it mx auto, and if we give it container, then it will give that things in the center. Okay, so that I actually do in here. And what we'll do in here right now, go to here, and okay, logo. We will flex these things, and make these things keep these things one div, and this all thing in one div, and this thing another div, and we'll give it justify between, so that it will look like this in this way. Okay, so yeah, these things actually we will work right now. So wait, okay, so so give it a name. Okay, give it flex first. Okay, we will name this flex, and justify between, and item center. Okay, and we will give the we don't need the gap. Okay, so now we will now I will create this div. So let's just, I don't need to div, so I can just click asset slash logo dot svg. Okay, so if I go to here, I think the asset will come. Wait, let me hard reload this thing, because in cache they actually save that previous things. Okay, now what we'll do, we will give it alt for logo, and I think it's okay. Now what we'll do, again we take a flex, and wrap this div with flex, and give p or whatever it is, p or div, you can take anything you want. So let's name it home. Alright, so I will, okay, now sorry guys, I actually forget to record these things, so I already made this design in this part. So just I just give a retouch from here. I just take a div, and flex this div, main div. Okay, flex this main div, and justify these three things between, and I keep this as a one section with flex, and this is a button, and this is a logo. So in here you can see in image section I take the image from here, so I keep the main div flex justify between and item center, so that it will justify between those three elements. Okay, then this is one elements and this is another elements, and I make these things flex item center and make the gap between those things gap 10. Okay, and also the button, I use the button, I use button, wait, what button I use, daisy UI, daisy UI. Okay, daisy UI, this button I actually use, I almost I every tutorial I use this button, it helped me to do code quickly. Okay, you can see btn active btn in this way. Okay, so then what I do, then I take a hero section. Under the hero section I take the navbar, because in this design we see that the hero section almost already in the main part, right? That's why I take the heroes navigation bar in the under the hero section. Okay, so then what I do in here, like I need to also flex this two part justify between, and make this as a flex call, and give between those div gap 10 or 5 whatever it is. Okay, that things I actually am doing in here. You can see I take a div and give justify between those things, and make the and make the item center, so that those two things make the item in center. And what I do in here, give a class name text 5xl and font medium. And I actually didn't get the font because it's not available in the Google Fonts, so I'm just using the normal Poppins font. Okay, so everything is actually fine. Okay, so now what we'll do now, wait, go to here. Now what we will do in here, we will make this part and this part. So what I need to do, let's take another p tag and copy the tag from Figma, and I'm using PowerToys, so it will help me to copy a text from image easily, extract text from image. Okay, so now what I will do, I will give it a class name, text text base, and I think text base is perfect, or no, text base, no, text lg, give it text lg. Okay, give it text lg, and text gray 500, that will be perfect. Yeah. Okay, now what I will do, lifetime, after lifetime I will give a break, beer tag, I will use beer tag, so that it make a break between those two line. Okay, then I need to make this button as well. So I already told you I use daisy UI, so sorry, not p tag, button, and it also get started. Yeah, get started, get started. Okay, now what I will do in here, give a class name, btn. Okay, I will give the busy, give the busy background color. I'm using PowerToys as well as, so that it will do my work quickly. Okay, and the text should be white and rounded full, and also border none, because by default daisy UI give a border, that's why I use this one. Now it looks good, right? Okay, I will now, what I will do, I will give it a width 44, so that it looks good. Yeah, now it looks good, right? Okay, so I need to put this image in here. So in the div, this is the one div, and look guys, this div actually in one part, and the image will be one part, another part. Okay, then I will attach the image in here. Hero.svg. Go here. Oh, it didn't come. I think it's PNG. Sorry, it's PNG. Now it comes. Looks really nice. Okay, so now, yeah, okay, I think the text should be a little bit bigger, like from the design. Let's give it a 6XL. Now it's good, right? Now it looks good enough. Okay, so also I need to make rounded these things, so I will go to the code and keep it rounded 3XL. Sorry, 3XL. Okay, if I go here, yeah, looks good, right? Okay guys, so I need to change these things. Okay, so about us, teachers, pricing. Go to never, courses, about us, teacher, and what I say, pricing, careers, pricing, careers, sorry, and blog. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine. Now we'll design this part. Why choose us? Okay, so what we will do in here, we will go to components, to our components, new file, and create a new file called, what should we call, our values, right? Okay, we will name this our value. Value.js. Okay, RFC. I make the React component in here easy way and give it container mx auto, and yeah. Now what we will do in here, we need why choose us. Okay, fine. So let's take the p tag and copy the text from here in this way, and give it text to Excel, and font should be semi bold, and yep, I think that will be good. Oh wait, I forgot to add this on index, so add the value section in here. Okay, now let's go. Yeah, now in value I think this need to be gray 500, sorry 50, not 50, 500. Yeah, nice. So I will do, I will make the things center. So just give it text center, it will go to center. Awesome, right? Okay, I think it looks a little bit bigger, or all right. Okay, our values, right? So we need to create our values in here. So we'll copy these things and make these things our values, sorry, values, and okay, make this text a little bit bigger, and yeah, I think the upper why chooses these things need to be medium. Okay, and the text should be a little bit smaller, and our value should be a little bit bigger. Okay, let's give gap margin of 3 or something. Okay, fine. Now what we will do in here, it covered the whole thing. So what we will do in here, we will make these things in MD. It will hide skin like 100 viewport. You see 100 viewport, so that it will show full skin. Okay, height should be what we are actually looking. That height will be applied automatically. That's how the height skin actually work. Okay, now what I will do, okay, I will make a grid, because you see three things, right? I will make one div and give these things flex call, then give gap between them, then it will create automatically, and use some changes in here. Also these things are all the same. So yeah, so I will make a div and give the div in grid view, like grid calls column wise, it column wise, so it not row wise, it column wise. That's why I will give grid call 3. Okay, so what I will do in here, I will make a div called grid, sorry, grid, and what I will do, grid calls 3. Okay, and make the gap between those things 16. Like we need to give the gap, right? That's why I am giving in here gap. Then what I will do, I will design first one. So I will take a div flex. Okay, if I don't take flex, it will be fine, if because everything actually in inline block. So I will not, let's just for example, I am not giving the flex. So what I will do, just give the things simple, and I will take image from here. First image was v1.svg. Okay, v1, and let's see. Yeah, it already came, right? Okay, now then, okay, image done. Then p, what will give in here, for p we will copy this text from here. Okay, we copied it and paste it in here, and I think I need to give text for Excel, and font should be semi bold, and yeah, that will be fine, right? Okay, yeah, looks good, but I think it's too big. Okay, so let make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, okay, let's give it to Excel. Now it's fine. Okay, so 2XL means its font size will be around 24 pixel, and the line height will be 32 pixel. Okay, so now what I will do, I am using all the Tailwindcss class, guys. It's really easy and really simple. So if you guys are want me to make a tutorial about Tailwindcss, then please comment below, then I will make that. Okay, so speaking clubs, then we will copy this thing. Okay, I'm copying these things and paste the things in here, and format document. Okay, what I will do in here, I will also give this name, text gray 500, and so I will, now what I will do, I will give it a name flex, and also flex call, and give gap between those things 5, and also item center. If I give item center, yeah, it comes to the center, right? So yeah, okay, so I need to make these things text center, so the text should be like this. Okay, one part done. Okay, one part done, but they actually use practice get beer, right? So just give beer after practice, then get. Fine. All right. So I will just now I will just copy these things and paste these things 3 times. I can use map, but I am not using map in this tutorial right now. So what I will do, I just change the thing in here, what actually in here. So I will copy this one, paste in here, this here. Okay, then let's just like keep the things in here. Okay, I'm not changing the down text, it will take over time. Just I'm changing the icons. Okay, and their main heading tag, just I'm changing these two part. Okay guys. Okay, and make these things v3. Now it looks good, right? Oh, I need to make this gap between things, so I'll go to the top where the grid is. Here I will padding y 20. 20 is a little bit big, right? No, it's fine. And item, make the item center. It actually not working. Okay, no problem. We don't need to give any center or something like that. If we now remove this hide skin, what will happen? Now it looks good, right guys? Yeah, just make this a little bit padding bottom two things, that will be good. Yeah, now it looks good and clean. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll do the same thing in here as well. This teachers portion, right? Okay, so key persons. So we will copy these things because we need we the two design almost similar, right? We also need these 3 things. So I will just copy these things and make a component teachers, TACH here, teachers.js and RAFCE. Okay, no values, control A, copy and paste the things in here. You guys also can do it. Okay, and I will make this name as a TACH here, teacher. Okay, and call it from index teacher. Now in this teacher section we don't need this one. Wait, this see the design first. Key person, right? So yeah, what we can do, we can remove this text center from here and make these things like key person and make these things as uppercase. Okay, key person already came. Also meet our teachers. Okay, so okay, meet our teachers, right? So I'm just copying these things and paste the thing in here. Oh, sorry guys, mistakenly copy that things. Huh? What's happening, guys? I have no idea. Like sometimes and the text center will remove these things. Okay, looks good, right? Oh, there have a button or carousel item, right? Okay, we'll not use carousel here because there are 3 things, so I don't think so we need carousel. And yeah, Christian Howard. Okay, so we just need to change the design in here, then everything will be same. Okay, and we just like item center, we need to close these things, and here what we give the name, I need to see that things first. Sorry guys, assets here, T1, right? T1, okay, fine. Sorry, T1, T1. And what will be the teacher's name? Teacher's name will be Christian Howard, and he is an Italiana. Okay, so yeah, so what we'll do in here, okay, we also need a flag, right? So if we go to the design, here you can see Cristiano Holland and Italiana already came in here. But what we need to do, like we need to give a flex and give a gap between those two things, and just call the image, and that will be good. Let's give it a flex and give the image and assets slash, what is its name, flag 1, Italy. Wait, I forgot again. Italy. Okay. Is busy, and cut these things and paste the thing in here. I remove the text center portion. Okay, so now it looks good, right? Whatever it is. Okay, flex, and now we will give item center and give a gap between those two things. You see, now it looks good, right? Okay, so it's done. We just copy, we need to copy here and paste those things in here. Okay guys, okay, now it looks good, right? Yeah, so what we will do now, okay, just change the name, the second one, yeah, second one, this one, and T2, and this one will be T3. Okay, and this one will be Spanish, right? Spanish. Spanish teachers and English teacher. Sorry guys. Okay, sorry, I changed the wrong things. I need to change in here. Okay, and here will be English teacher. Okay. Oh, I need to change the flag also, right? It will be Spain and it will be UK. Nice, right? Okay, So this portion done. So yeah, we will create the other portion in the next video. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, and if you have any problem to understanding, or if you have any queries, please let me comment, let just comment it, and I will give you a reply. Okay, so thanks for watching. I catch you in the next one.